Here comes your pre-market summary for Monday, May 15th. Futures trying to hold on to positive territory here, coming off of a bit of a choppy week last week. We went into the weekend with not a lot of volatility, but markets basically flat at the end of the week on the weekly performance. Anyways, here's how things are shaping up so far this morning. 0.33 right now for the S&P, 0.36 for the Dow, the NASDAQ about 0.25% as well. But good to see for the most part, Brazil flat. Good to see for the most part, though, positive numbers top to bottom, including, nice start to the week for Bitcoin and Ethereum, 3% and 2% respectively so far. On a Monday, 0.5% there for crude oil. It's going to be all about Fed speak today, a ton of it. Fed's Bostic already on CNBC making some comments this morning, set to come back then at 8:45 to deliver more remarks. Kashkari then set to come through at 9:15. And then the afternoon going to be loaded as well. We get Barkin again at 12:30, 2 p.m. Bostic, 3 p.m. Bostic, a busy guy on a Monday. So we'll keep an eye on some of those comments, see if the overall market moves as a result. That's how the S&P is looking to start off a brand new week. The NASDAQ as well, the Qs here, the ETF, definitely still holding up a little bit better as far as relatively strong goes anyways. Heading into the brand new week, we'll have a look at some big tech stocks. Once again, if you remember, it was Google last week that led this group to the upside coming off that I/O event. Pretty impressive right across the entire board. Interesting note here from the Wall Street Journal over the weekend on Amazon. More AI headlines are going to invest further and employ further in AI as far as their logistics are concerned and optimizing delivery. Remember last week they came out and said they're actually going to offer people $10 per purchase to come and actually pick up purchases instead of having them delivered. There's Amazon. Anyways, nice end to the week overall. It was positive for Amazon. Let's go on. Tesla back on watch here after a pretty impressive move back down, if you remember, on Friday. If I zoom in here a little bit, you'll get a better take on what happened. We gapped to the upside on this headline involving a new CEO for Twitter, but gave all that back and more. We're right back to these support levels from the past few days here for Tesla. SoFi with a downgrade this morning, under pressure, down about 6%. Wedbush not liking SoFi today. We'll have a look at Chinese ADRs showing all kinds of strength to start the week on some positive debt ceiling debate headlines as well coming through out of Washington. Might get that done this week, hopefully. Lionel Messi's clothing brand, MGOL, little one this morning, moving higher ahead of earnings to come this week as well. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code if you haven't done so already. Absolutely free to you every morning. We'll see you coming up here at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.